Good morning, people. Welcome back to my channel, The Little Debo Show. I am sitting in Charles's car. I'm in the back seat actually. And he's here, the driver, driving in the front. So today, you know, in one of my previous videos, I introduced you to one of my office colleagues. Her name is Kristen. We are going to her house for a dinner. She has invited all the office colleagues, all the department, all our team for an early dinner. But as you can see, it has started snowing, and I didn't know it would snow so much. So I am a little worried because it's an hour away, but I think we will still go because, you know, they obviously are cooking for us and everything. So I am supposed to bring a charcuterie tray, which is a platter of cheese and I don't know, crackers, and if you want other things like olive and is it called pastrami? Pastrami?
Yeah.
I don't know. You know what? I have just seen a charcuterie board once in my life. So we'll just go. But it's snowing. We were in one store and that store said they couldn't do it right now. So we are going to another store which is 20 minutes away. Usually I wouldn't mind driving 20 minutes, but it is snowing. It is snowing pretty bad. The one time we have some plans and it has to snow, like I hate it. So we are going to another cheese store. They did say we could come in and they would whip up something for us. So we are going there right now, and I will video when I am in the store. So we just parked our car. We're on the road. I don't see the store. I don't know where. He said he saw it. Now it's not there. It's just a mess. So we are right now walking in the snow. Where is it? It's in here? It is in here. I don't know here where. It should say spread cheese. Where is it? It's the downstairs. Still looking for the store. I don't know where the hell that is. Huh? Where? Oh, here. Okay. This is the store. Hello. Hi. No, I really don't know what to put. Do you know what to put? So then. Okay, so this is the charcuterie board. All I can recognize are crackers. Here's some nuts. Different types of cheese. I don't know what this is. This is some type of meat. I even don't know what that is. These look like oranges or something, dried oranges. And some different types of cheese. Apricot? Apricot is not a nut?
No.
Okay, he's saying apricot.
Your viewers are laughing at you.
Nobody is laughing at me. Put the map on for... Who is honking so much? So we have to go home and leave immediately if we have to. It's already 1 o'clock. I guess we have an hour, but our home is also... How far are we from home? Half hour?
37 minutes.
Oh shit. We are 40 minutes away, so we have to go and start getting ready and leave. So pretty much no time. Okay, so this is how much it's been snowing now. All the side, what is it called? Walkway, side road, footpath, sidewalk. The sidewalk is totally snowy, slippery. If you're not careful, you may slip and slide and fall. So, and the reason why I am sitting at the back is he has been trying to put his ambient lighting in his car and he didn't do it, and he thought he could do it in the morning, but it's not half done. It's half done. It's not even half done. It's not even started yet. So that seat is totally full of shit, so there is no place.
Oh, it's pretty good. Like, I've made some progress on it.
What progress did you make?
I got it all like threaded through. It just needs to be plugged in, and then I need to tape it and then plug
But
it.
you cannot do it now because we don't have time, so I will have to sit at the back the entire time today. So this is the condition of the highway. Cars are all going very slow. See the woods. This side too. Glasses are all foggy. We are 40 minutes away from home. Everybody is going very slow. People have their hazards on. So we hurried home, got ready, can't really show what I'm wearing, but now we are leaving to her house. It's an hour away, so it's good, and thankfully it has stopped snowing, which is a good thing, so I think the traffic wouldn't be that bad on the highway. So we are going to go there now, eat some food, have some fun, and I'll see you guys at her house. So we are finally here at my office colleague's house and we are going in. I've heard her husband is a very good cook, so I'm really looking forward to her food, to their food, I should say. And here is Charles.
I need to do some research before I properly use this on what all to present, but then I realized I can do whatever I want with the board.
We are at Kristen's place right now. We had a bunch of snacks. They also had a charcuterie board, and I really like their truffle cheese. That was the only cheese that I think I liked. I don't eat cheese so much. But then here is our host.
Hello.
That's Kristen there.
You see me in the car before.
Yeah, you did. You have seen her in one of my previous videos. We were going to that, what was that, holiday lunch. And this is Keith here. He's our program leader. This is for my YouTube channel, so if you say hi to my friends.
Hi, friends.
And then there is Satya there. So this is Satya right here. He's our senior data scientist in our team. And
Sometimes I doubt that.
why? You don't have...
Don't really do data science.
True, you do more like project management stuff. Product management. Product lead. So yeah, we are getting ready for dinner. And maybe I'll show you what we have for dinner. Oh, we also have Kritika here. This is Satya's wife. And this is Charles here.
Hey.
Alright, I'll see you guys in some time.
Over there is the moussaka. This is broccoli rabe with parsnips, This is brown rice salad with arugula.
Where did you grab a glass?
So we are right now at the dinner table. There's lots of food here. We just got done at Kristen's place. It was so much fun. It's actually 11 o'clock now, which is pretty late. Again, it's an hour drive for us. Her husband is such a good cook. His name is Andrew. Thank you, Andrew, so much for the good food. He didn't want to come on the video, so he doesn't like it. But he had made a moussaka, which is a Greek dish, lamb dish, and chicken roast. And everybody else brought some food. We had another colleague, Keith. You saw him. He had made chicken dinner, like North Indian chicken curry. And then another person whose name was Satya, he brought some goat curry from the restaurant and some wonton momos and stuff, so that was good. Overall, we had good food and we are going to go home now. It's late, so I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, take care. Peace.